How to perform a hard reboot on Redmi 14C with the help of recovery mode. Let's start with turning off the device. Press the power button and the volume up button on the side of the device. The move to power off option will appear on the screen. Just do this so that the device is completely turned off. Now let's go to the recovery mode. First, press the volume up button and the power button simultaneously. Hold them until you feel a slight vibration. As soon as you feel the vibration, keep holding the volume up button and release the power button. Once the recovery menu appeared, use the volume up and down buttons to navigate up and down. Find and select the Wipe Data button. To do this, press the power button, which will serve as a confirmation button. Choose Wipe All Data and confirm deletion of all data. Now all data are deleted. We just have to wait for a while it is processing. After the process is complete, all information on your Redmi 14C will be deleted. So now, you just have to finish the process by rebooting the device. To do this, select the Restart option from the recovery menu. Now your device is ready for the first setup, as after first purchase. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel and enjoy!